It was last week Friday when International Group President Peter Scroggs spoke before the Guam Veterans Commission on plans for a new private veterans hospital on island. Guam Veterans Affairs Office Administrator John Pinko.
I thought it would be only a matter of time before somebody surfaced, but I didn't know Guam would surface it that quickly. But it's a very timely concept.
Pinko says the idea is very timely, especially when the U.S. VA is under siege in light of recent events in Arizona. He says it was a few months ago when dozens of VA hospital patients in Phoenix had died possibly due to delays in medical care.
This hospital, the reason why I support it is that what it plans to do, at least I hope what it plans to do, is to cover our region. So it's not only Guam, but it's the Republic of Marshall Islands, Palau, CNMI, and all the other islands swept in together. And it would work. I mean, if it was a regional concept, it can be made to work.
Currently, the island's veterans get their care from the Guam Community Outpatient-Based Clinic, also known as CBOC. They also get referrals to specialists at Naval Hospital or at private clinics on island. If all three fail, veterans are sent to the Tripler Army Medical Center in Hawaii.
It goes after that concept, goes to the very concept of you keep them where their homes are at, and then somehow the recovery period seems to be a lot faster. So I applaud the idea. It has merit.
And while he considers it only a small stumbling block, Pinko says some on the Guam Veterans Commission raised concern over who would pay for this new hospital.
The funding is something that they would have to work on because, you know, an investor invests to get this money, a return on his money. And it was not quite clear where the return on investment was going to come from.
At this time, Pinko says there are at least 27,000 veterans who have made contact with the Guam VA office, but it's most likely there are more out there. In the meantime, an advisory committee is being put together this week for the project, something Pinko says he wants to be part of. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintaniza.